Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another cheat day, so happy cheat day. I have some donuts from Donut Mania. The first one I want to try is called their Granny Apple, Cinnamon Apple, something like that. But it looks good. It's like almost similar to like a churro. It looks really good. It has like a caramel on the top and with apple filling. So the light's gonna probably keep changing because the sun, it's really cloudy today, so the sun's coming out and it's going. So hopefully it doesn't interfere with the lighting for the video. This one is really good though. The outside like kind of reminds me of a churro. And I love that they put a lot of apples at the top. This next one is called their Cherry Jubilee. I'm not a big fan of cherries, but we'll see how this tastes. I'm open to trying it. So far, all I'm getting is whipped cream. This one, they didn't fill it very much for some reason. You can see. I mean, we can't really see too much. I can kind of see it now. It's not bad. I'd still eat it. So that one I would give about I want to give it a 5. Because I mean, to me it mostly tastes like whipped cream. It really didn't have a lot of flavor. It's kind of bland. With cherry we're like okay because it's not overpowering. And it doesn't remind me of like medicine. Because most of the time cherries remind me of medicine. This next one I'm excited about. Because anything with peanut butter I'm excited about. This next one is their peanut butter finger. You can see the little peanut butter on the side. Ooh. First bite, it tastes a bunch of peanut butter. The filling is like thick. It's good. Oh, I think it's cheesecake. Because the texture is kind of like a peanut butter cheesecake. It's good. So that one, I did like it a lot, but the filling does need a little bit work. like a little bit of work, because it could have been a better peanut butter flavor. I would give that donut probably like a 7 out of 10, because it's good, but it's not the best. I've tasted better peanut butter filling. But that's it for right now. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. So I got some Burger King. I got 2 chicken sandwiches, some chicken fries, some French fries, and a drink. Got a nice tea. So I do want to try their chicken fries because I haven't tried them before. Alright, I've tried them, but like years ago when they used to have them, when they very first came out, from what I remember. So I put my sauce. I got some ranch. I asked for barbecue too, but I can't find it in the bag. So we're gonna try these chicken fingers. Good. Yeah, I like the taste. It's nice how they have the little, like, the little holder for the sauce. This one's cricket. I would get these again. They're really good. Yeah, some more ranch. It's gonna be dripping. But it tastes so good. Has lots of mayo. I haven't had Burger King in a while, but it's really good. I would totally get it again. Burger King has one of the best fries. I love that they're thick. It's funny because someone just passed by walking their dog, and it's like, what is she doing? I'm always afraid when I open these that it's gonna go like shooting all over my face or even my clothes. That would be sad. Oh no. You guys wanna see it again? You wanna see? We have to wait for all the cars to pass by. So we grab it and we drop it. Drop. Oh no, that time it went on my hand. And then we smash it. think it's funny, I'm like focusing on the fact that I'm like, why do you examine your food? I guess it's because it's like you're trying to find like the best place to bite it, or it'll be like proportioned and stuff. And we have a little bit left. If you guys go to Burger King, what do you guys like to get? I know somebody commented. I'm gonna find your name. Oh, okay. So, shout out to Amanda Stoneburner. I hope I didn't pronounce that right. I hope I didn't pronounce that wrong. She was the one who recommended that I do Burger King. I have been thinking about doing Burger King. And she recommended to get the chicken sandwich. Or she had said that she loves the chicken sandwich from Burger King. I can actually redo the comment. I should just redo the comment. Okay. So... yeah, so she was basically saying like, can you do a crispy chicken sandwich from Burger King mukbang? And so I haven't had the chicken sandwich in a long time, so because of her I did want to try it again. Because I've had it before, but I used to get like mostly the Whoppers and stuff. So yes, thank you so much for suggesting that because it was really good. And if there's anything else that you guys would like me to like eat, let me know in the comments. I'll totally like go and check it out and try it. So this is their unsweet tea. It's pretty good. Hi everybody, I'm gonna eat my final meal for today. I have some birthday cake that's left over from Adrian's birthday. And then I also have some Halo Top, strawberry flavored. This cake is homemade. Well, we used one of those like box ones. We wanted to make a homemade one instead of buying one for his birthday because it was more fun for him to actually make his cake. So it's like super moist. You guys can like see like how moist it is. And it has strawberry frosting. This ice cream with this cake is really good. That's gonna conclude today's cheat day. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.